Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding an classifier, machine learning classifier called passive aggression classifier. Already with the same data set we have worked with three machine learning algorithms like logistic regression, support vector vision and boost classifier. In this work it is going to make an continuation video of the previous video and will make a and comparison of the four classifiers which we have done so far. For that, initially we are loading the email spam detection dataset which we downloaded from Kaggle. This dataset is having nearly three columns like unnamed, email text and email type. Email unnamed is nothing but the serial number. So we are getting the info of the data. So it is now giving the information that unnamed is the integer type and all others are object type. Then we are checking whether our data set is having null entries. You may notice that email text it is having nearly 60 null entries. So in order to remove that, we are making some dropping of the null values and also the unnamed entry or the unnamed column, which is the one which is not needed for further processing. So we are dropping that column also. Apart from that, we are also dropping the null entries from the email text. For that, we are using the drop now function. Then again, we are checking the missing values. Now we may notice that we are having only two columns and also it is not having any null entry. So we are just checking the shape of the data set. Then we are making an plot regarding that email type, among which how many zeros, how many email positive email, that is a safe email and phishing email are obtained. When considering the safe email, phishing email is less only by more than 50% or 60% only. Then we are moving with the train test split function. Before that, we are determining the x variable and y variable. X variable contains the email text variable and y variable contains the email type variable. By the use of this x variable and y variable and the test size is 0.2, that is 20% for testing and remaining 80% for training, we are determining variables like x train, x test, y train and y test. Then we this x train and x test are in the form of text, so we have to convert it into vector. So for that we are using tfidf vectorizer with the features of 1500. By with this we are obtaining or giving it to the x train and x test function. Then previously we have done with the logistic regression and we have got an confusion matrix and also the classification report with the 97% accuracy. Then we worked with the support vector mission and got displayed the confusion matrix and also got an classification report with the 98% accuracy. Then we worked with the catboost classifier which works with the different learning rate and different iterations, and for that we displayed the confusion matrix and also displayed the classification report, and we have got a 97% accuracy. In this work we are going to work with passive aggressive classifier. With every other works we have done so far, we have to import the library for the passive aggressive classifier. Then we have to make this passive aggressive classifier function within that variable. By using that variable we are performing the training and testing. Training is done by use of the fit function and testing is done by use of the predict function. And with the training we are using the training variables, and with the testing we are using the testing variables, and we are determining the predictions value. You may notice the prediction is displayed within an array. Then the confusion matrix is this. So it is showing only less number of values. If you notice, means the original shape which we previously found for the data set is more than 16,000, but here we getting some only less count in the confusion matrix. The reason is for plotting the confusion matrix we are using only the testing variables like both in the confusion matrix and the classification report we are using only the testing variables. within the classification report we have got a 96% accuracy. Apart from accuracy, we have also got some other values like precision, recall, F1 score and support. Then within this four classifiers we are making an comparison. With that you may notice that for logistic regression and catboost classifier we have getting an accuracy of 97%, and for SBM it is 98. So passive aggressive classifier which is made now is showing 96. Based on this we have made a bar chart. You may notice that from this passive aggressive classifier is only showing the less one, and support vector mission is showing higher one, and this logistic regression and cat boost classifier is showing the same accuracies. In the next work we will be working with random forest and will make an comparison with the random forest, and will make a conclusion that which classifier is providing better results and lower results. Thank you. And if you are interested in knowing some other demo video means, please let us know in the comment box. So if you are aware of it means, we will definitely make a video regarding it. Thank you.